As the elected Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer, I'm calling this session to order. Roll call, please.
The Honorable Members of the Sangguniang Panlunsod, Honorable Kathleen C. Briones, Honorable Mark Aris Piluansing, Honorable Concepcion R. Hernandez Piloso, Honorable Aris Manuel D. Mendoza, Honorable Joel D. Pua, Honorable Raul A. Monte Alto, Honorable Pasita S. Liviste, Honorable Yonilo A. Katipon, Honorable Donato O. Linatok, Honorable Donato R. Monfero, Honorable Marlon M. Luansing, Honorable Christian John Jesse B. Fonte, and the Honorable Presiding Officer, Honorable Eric B. Africa.
Mr. Secretary, do we have a quorum?
We have a quorum.
May we request the Honorable Joel Pua to lead our invocation.
Name of the Father and the Son. Tayo po yung magsikwat lagay natin sa presensya ng Diyos. Mahabaging Ama, kami po ay nagpupuri at nananalig sa inyo. Humuhingi rin po kami ng tawad sa aming mga pagkakasala at labis na nagpapasalamat sa araw na ito. Sa mga biyayang pinagkaloob ninyo sa amin at sa lahat ng pagsubok na dumarating sa aming buhay, patuloy po naming itihata sa inyo ang aming bayan at mga namumuno at naglalakad dito. Gabayan ninyo kami sa tulong ng inyong banal na Espiritu Santo na makagawa at makapagdesisyon ng maayos. Bigyan niyo po kami ng lakas at liwanag ng isip tungo sa ikaayos, ikaunlad ng ating bayan. Ito po ay ang hinihiling namin sa ngalan ng inyong anak na si Jesus. Amen.
Please remain standing, and may we likewise request the Honorable Joel Pua to lead the singing of the national anthem.
Lagay po natin ang ating kamay sa ating kaliwang dibdib at awitin po natin ating pambansang awit.
Magandang umaga po. Reading of the minutes of the preceding session, the Honorable Maria Concepcion Hernandez Veloso is recognized.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. Considering that we all have copies of the minutes of the previous session, I move that we dispense reading and the same be considered as approved.
Any second to the motion? Seconded by the Honorable Libisten Monfero. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion duly seconded is hereby approved. Ordinance and resolution for second reading. The Honorable Patmon Monfero is recognized.
Good morning, Mr. Chair, at sa ating mga kapwa-konsihal, at ganoon din po sa lahat ng mga bisita natin ngayong araw na to. May I request the Good Secretary to read the committee report?
Mr. Secretary, please read committee report number 3.
November 18, 2013, committee report submitted by Committee on Public Works number 03. Subject, ratification of contract with various contractors. Referred to this committee was the request of the city administrator by authority of the city mayor for the ratification of contract entered into by and between the city government of Lipa, represented by Honorable City Mayor Maynardo A. Sabili, with the following contractors: KLR Trading and Construction, DD Rosal Construction, Solen Builders and Construction Supply, Are Construction, D Construction, 1010 Builders and Construction Supplies, 2K8 Builders and Construction Supplies Corporation, and DLG Construct. It could be noted that this August body authorized the local chief executive to enter into agreement with any contractor for the procurement of civil works through resolution number 238 passed on September 19, 2013. Said contractors were awarded the said projects in a public bidding held on September 25, 2013 at the conference room of City Engineer's Office, considering that their offered bid was the lowest calculated and responsive bid and most advantageous to the city government. Believing that the implementation of the projects will be advantageous to the constituents of the city of Lipa, this committee recommends the approval of the request and the ratification of the said contracts. Respectfully submitted, Honorable Nonato R. Monfero, Chairman, Honorable Mark R. Pilwansing, Member, and Honorable Raul A. Monte Alto, Member, all signed the committee report except Honorable Wansing.
Motion?
I move for the adoption of that said committee report number 03 for the ratification of contract with various contractors.
Discussion, Honorable Concepcion Hernandez Veloso.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. May I inquire from the chairperson of the Committee on Public Works pertaining to the construction of the evacuation center at Barangay Anilao, Labac, Lipa City and construction of disaster operations center. Can you give us more detail pertaining to the structure po, ito pong dalawang items na ito under Solen Builders and Construction Supply?
Solen Builders and Construction Supply number 2 and 3.
Improvement of drainage system at Barangay Ludlod, ma'am.
No, number 2 and
Number
number 3
2,
po.
construction of evacuation center at Barangay Anilao, Labac, Lipa City, and construction of disaster operation center.
Yes po.
Pardon for your question, ma'am.
May we know po the details pertaining po dito sa construction pong ito?
As per committee hearing, nakausap po natin itong lahat ng contractor na to at based on the representative of Solen Builders, ito raw po ay nakaroon na sila ng bidding.
Ito po bang number 2, construction of evacuation center na gym type? Ano po ang kaibahan nito sa ordinary gym po na ipinapatayo po natin?
Sa ngayon ho kasi, nung kami ay magkaroon ng committee hearing, humingi ako sa kanila ng plano regarding dito. And that time po, hindi nila dala yung plano na hinihingi ko. So sabi nila, as per advice ay isasabit na lang muna sa atin. But sa ngayon po ay hindi ko pa nahahawakan.
So, we're saying na we're approving something na hindi po natin alam kung ano po ang plano?
Ibinase lang po noon sa dating sa akin nung pagkakalam, ibinase lang ito doon sa dati nilang in-approve na gym type at so kung meron man po rito pagkakaiba, as per advice po ng contractor ay hindi naman ito napakalayo.
May I request for a minute of recess?
I'm declaring a 1-minute recess.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Session resume. The Honorable Maria Concepcion Hernandez is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Pertaining to items number 2 and number 3, since this will be the source of fund for these 2 items shall be the calamity fund. Siguro mas maganda din po that upon approval or even before the approval of this particular committee report, that we require that the plans be forwarded also to the Sanggunian, or that we approve a resolution approving the committee report subject to the submission of the said plans to the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Pertaining to number 3, Mr. Chair, the Disaster Operations Center, this will be, as discussed earlier po sa atin pong recess, ay 2-story po na ilalagay po dito sa atin pong may likuran ng ating pong City Hall. Considering that this will have a second floor and this will be a new building, may I request na rin po na to make this facility specially designed for disaster operations to be accessible to persons with disability dahil lagi na lang po nating sinasabi that our City Hall cannot anymore be constructed to accommodate our PWDs. Baka naman po itong mga bagong plano ay malalagyan na po natin ng provision para po sa ating pong mga may kapansanan since they are also the most prone and most vulnerable in times of disaster. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair and Mr. Presiding Officer.
Any further discussion? The Honorable Nilo Katipon is recognized.
Magandang umaga ho sa kagalang-galang na Vice Mayor Eric Apricasa, lahat ho narito. Ang point ko lang ho dito, ito naman ho ay hindi ako against dito. Ito naman ho ay puro project sa barangay. May mga nakuan lang ho kayo dito like yung sa Solid Builders and Construction Supply na Construction of Disaster Operations Center. Saan hong lugar ho, ari ho?
Ari yung Construction of Disaster Operations Center, dito lang ho sa may likod ng ating City Hall.
Ito gahay may mga sa tingin ho nyo doon nung mag-committee hearing kayo, ito may ongoing construction ng atin mga...
Base ho doon sa mga umattend na representative ng contractors, na itinang ko lang ho doon ay kung ito ho ay nagkaroon na ng bidding, ay okay na naman daw ho, tapos na. So with regard ho doon sa start ho na construction, hindi ho namin natakal yun.
At ang last one ko ho, ito ay purong Batanggenyo ho ang mga contractor na ito dahil meron ho tayo ditong isang ordinansa na ang contractor ho ay dapat hindi naman ho sa siyudad Dalipa kundi within the province of sa probinsya ho dapat ang kwan. Ito ho lahat ay taga-probinsya ng Batangas.
Sila naman ho ay nag-secure ng ating mayor's permit at tinanong ko rin ho sa kanila kung sila ho ba ay mga previous contractors. At ang sabi ho nila ay hindi lang naman ho sila ngayon na pumasok dito sa atin at matagal na sila nangungontrata. So, tinanong ko rin ho kung sila ba ay sumunod sa mga requirements and okay naman daw.
Dahil may dalawa nga ho din napansin din ho ni Consiel doon na dalawang siguro isang Taiwanese ito at isang Chinese mainland. Si Miss Yolanda D. and Dennis Go. Kaya ho nakapagtanong ho ako nito. Salamat po.
Thank you, Honorable Katipon.
The Honorable Aris Manuel Mendoza is recognized.
Magandang umaga ho sa lahat ng nandito sa atin kong Vice Mayor sa lahat ng mga konsyal. Idudugsungan ko lamang po yung sinabi po ng ating mga kasama kasi nakita ko rin nga ho dito yung sa Construction of Disaster Operations Center na worth 1,996,948.68. Kasi meron na rin po tayong, siguro kung maaalala ho ng lahat na meron na rin ho tayong pumasok dito sa Sangguniang Panlunsod na meron yung plano na magpatayo ng bagong City Hall. Ito pong nakalagay dito sa Disaster Operations Center will also ay gagawin din ho dito sa loob ng City Hall compound. Ito ho ay nakaprogram na rin, nakasama ho doon kasi baka ho mamaya kung yun ho'y matutuloy, baka naman ho gigibain din lamang, magsasayang po tayo ng 2 milyon at baka po mamaya meron pong mga plano na nasa loob ho ng City Hall compound, may mga aalisin sa paglalagay ng bago hong iniisip ng executive na pagtatayo ng bagong City Hall. Hindi ho magagalaw po itong bagong ipapagawa po natin at hindi po aabutin doon sa bago nilang proposal, Mr. Proponent.
Base sa aking pagkakaalam, ay hindi naman siya masasakop no sa bagong pinopropose na magkaroon tayo ng bagong City Hall building, sir.
So, hindi ho tatamaan kahit na ho magtayo ho ng bago kung yun po aprobahan dito sa Sangguniang Panlunsod.
Hindi po.
Hindi po magagalaw. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you.
Any further discussion? Objection? Hearing none, The motion duly seconded. Committee report number 3 is hereby adopted.
Thank you,
Next,
Mr. Chair.
committee report. Committee on Housing and Land Utilization, number 25. The Honorable Joel Poo is recognized.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. May I ask our good secretary to read the committee report?
The secretaries, please read the committee report.
November 20, 2013, Committee Report Number 25, submitted by Committee on Housing and Land Utilization. Subject, reclassification request. Referred to this committee is the request of Mr. Emmanuel Medina for the reclassification of the property registered under the name of spouses Policarpio A. Medina and Florencia de Maculangan with a total area of 1,089 square meters with TCT number 33201 and lot number 1157-A located at Barangay Sabang, Lipa City, from agricultural 689 square meters and or residential 400 square meters used to commercial use. The Office of the CPDO issued certification that subject properties within the commercial area according to the approved comprehensive land use plan and revised zoning ordinance of the city. This ordinance sees no reason why the request should not be granted, provided that the same would not exceed 10% of the total agricultural land area of the city pursuant to Section 20 of the Local Government Code of 1991, and therefore recommends to this august body the passage of an ordinance relative to the said reclassification. Respectfully submitted, Honorable Joel D. Pua, Chairman, Honorable Donato O. Linatok, Member, and Honorable Pasita S. Liviste, Member. All signed the committee report.
Motion.
Mr. Chair, I move for the adoption of the committee report.
Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. Committee report number 25 is hereby adopted. Business for the day, Mr. Secretary.
Business for the day. Number 1, reclassification request of Ms. Virginia Donajas, MCSH from agricultural to special use of the property registered in the name of the Roman Catholic Archbishop of Lipa with a total area of 1,050 square meters covered by TCT number 072201300338 with lot number 2 located Barangay Talisay, Lipa City, forwarded by the city administrator by authority of the city mayor.
Referred to the Committee on Land Utilization.
Number 2, realignment request of the city administrator by authority of the city mayor, 4 million pesos to be taken from the savings on retirement benefits to be made available to augment fund for the terminal leave benefits under the office of the city mayor.
Referred to the Committee on Appropriations.
Letter B, 350,000 to be taken from the savings on insurance expenses of the City General Services Office to be made available for the repairs and maintenance other structures 100,000 and repairs and maintenance office buildings 150,000 of the same office.
Noted.
Letter C.
Committee on Appropriations.
Letter C, 770,000 pesos for the use of the City Welfare and Development Office to be taken from the Women Welfare Program to Emergency Assistance Program of the same office.
Committee on Appropriations.
And letter D, 34,850 to be taken. Traveling expense local, 11,250. Repair and maintenance office equipment, 14,000. And repair and maintenance, IT equipment and software, 9,600. All of the City Administrator's Office Economic Enterprise Division to be made available for the gasoline, oil, and lubricants expense of the same office.
Referred to the Committee on Appropriations.
And number 3, financial statements of general funds consolidated. General Fund Proper 20% Development Fund, Economic Enterprise, Market Kuleon ng Lungsod ng Lipa, Hospital ng Lipa Special Education Fund and Trust Fund for the month ending October 31, 2013, submitted to the SP through the City Vice Mayor Honorable Eric B. Africa by the City Accountant for information.
Noted. Resolution and ordinance for third and final reading. The Honorable Noni Monfero is recognized.
Mr. Chair, I move for the passage of resolution, ratification of contract with various contractors.
Any second to the motion? Seconded by the Honorable Lebiste. Objection? Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
The Honorable Joel Puwa is recognized. Ano kay Micah? Ay.
Mr. Chair, Committee Report number 25. I move for the passage of an ordinance reclassifying the property of spouses Policarpio A. Medina and Florencia de Maculangan with a total area of 1,089 square meters located in Barangay Sabang from agricultural use to residential use to commercial use.
Any second? Seconded by the Honorable Nilo Katipon. Discussion, objection, hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading. The Honorable Nilo Katipon is recognized.
With the permission of the Chairman of Committee on Land Use, tama-tama ho, ito yung pamiyaan libing ho ni Father Kiambao. Ito ho yung konbento niyang pangarap. Siya naman ho namatay. With the permission of the Chairman, please consider this item number 1 as urgent.
Any second for urgency? Seconded by the Honorable Katipon, Lebiste, Mendoza, Monte Alto, and Puwa. And Montero, unanimously seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none. Item number 1 is hereby declared as urgent.
I move that we pass a resolution reclassifying the total area of 1,050 square meter covered by TCT number so with lot number 2 located at Barangay Talisay, Lipa City from agricultural to special use convent of the St. Therese Parish in Talisay.
Objection? Hearing none, the motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading. The Honorable Don Linatok is recognized.
Mr. Chair, I move that we consider item number 2, the realignment request of the city administrator for urgency. All the items either under item number 2.
Any second for urgency? Seconded. Discussion? Discussion, the Honorable Maria Concepcion Hernandez Veloso is recognized.
Mr. Chair, under item number 2, letter C, 770,000 pesos for the use of the City Welfare and Development Office to be taken from the account Women Welfare Program to Emergency Assistance Program of the same office. Unfortunately, the chairperson for the Committee on Women is not present. So as member of the Committee on Women, may I know ano pong line item under the Women Welfare Program ang aalisan po ng budget na 770,000 and which shall be reverted to the Emergency Assistance Program of the same office? And may we know also the nature of the Emergency Assistance Program? Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Letter C is withdrawn. Any further discussion? Objection? Hearing none. Item number 2 of business for the day, letter A, B, and D is hereby declared as urgent. Motion?
I move, Mr. Presiding Officer, that we pass an ordinance realigning the amount of 4 million pesos to be taken from the savings on retirement benefits to be made available to augment fund for the terminal leave benefits under the office of the City Mayor.
Any second? Seconded by the Honorable Katipon and Lebiste. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading.
Mr. Chair, I move that we pass an ordinance realigning the amount of 350,000 to be taken from the savings on insurance expenses of the City General Services Office to be made available for the repairs and maintenance and others on other structures of the Lipa City, former Lipa City Youth and Cultural Center Hindi pala former, kala ko LCPC, sorry po. In the amount of 100,000 and repairs and maintenance of the office buildings in the amount of 250,000 of the same office.
Any second? Seconded by the Honorable Katipon and Monfero. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading.
I move, Mr. Presiding Officer, that we pass an ordinance realigning the amount of 34,850 pesos to be taken from traveling expense of local in the amount of 11,250 pesos, repair and maintenance of for office equipments 14,000 pesos, and repair and maintenance IT equipment and software 9,600. All of the city administrator's office under the Economic Enterprise Division to be made available for gasoline, oil, and lubricants expenses of the same office.
Seconded. Discussion. Objection. Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading. Privilege, the Honorable... Any second for adjourn? Privilege, the Honorable Maria... Bibong Mendoza is recognized. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Magandang umaga uli, Mr. Chairman, sa lahat po ng mga nandito sa atin po mga kasama. Gusto ko lamang po sanang buksan ngayong umagang ito kasi po ay yung tungkol po dun sa mga nakita ko nung isang araw, nung isang gabi, nung ako po umikot sa Maylipa City Cultural Center. Nakita ko po na madami po ang mga natutulog doon sa gilid ho ng Cultural Center. At nung ako po umikot ay nakita ko po tuwing umaga yun po yung mga nanghihingi ng limos, yung mga may mga kasama hong anak na mga maliliit ay nakita ko po na doon po natutulog. Sana po kung meron pa po tayong kakayanan, kung ang city po meron pa pong kakayanan, ay matulungan po natin tong mga taong ito. At kung ito naman po ay papaano natin maiiwasan na sila po ay tumigil doon, kung papaano po sila maiiwasan na doon ay matulog doon. Yan naman po kahit hindi mga taga dito sa atin po sa lungsod ng Lipa, pag nakita po natin ay tayo po ay maaawa sa kanilang katatayuan dahil po sila po ay maglalatag na lamang po doon ng dyaryo, maglalatag na lamang po ng karton at doon na lamang po natutulog. So baka naman po ang atin pong syudad ay meron pang kakayanan na matulungan po yung mga taong ito at para rin ho maiwasan na doon ho nakalatag po at napakadami na po isang buong side na po ng cultural ang nasasakop nila. Baka po pwede nating tingnan sa atin pong DSWD, sa atin pong mga tumutulong po rin na NGO ay mailapit din po natin yung mga tao po na nakita ko po doon nung isang gabi. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chairman.
The matter brought up by the Honorable Bibong Mendoza is referred to the Committee on Social Welfare. Privilege, the Honorable Maria Concepcion Hernandez Veloso is recognized.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer, and thank you also for Councilor Nilo Katipon for withdrawing his motion for adjournment, considering that this matter is of grave urgency and importance. Ito po ay issue po natin mula po sa Kolehiyo ng Lungsod ng Lipa. I received an anonymous text and I validated the same. Ito po pala ay totoo. Meron po tayo mga graduating students ng ating pong Kolehiyo ng Lungsod ng Lipa na nire-require po ngayon na kumuha po ng tinatawag na on-the-job trainee uniform. For the record, Mr. Chair, meron po tayong ilang mga estudyanteng nag-a-apply po sa ating opisina, our City Hall included, na sila po ay nire-require ng several hours, if I'm not mistaken, 400 hours, to render service as practicum o kaya naman po on-the-job training. Ito po mga estudyanteng ito, unfortunately, meron po tayong isang kurso kung saan sila po ay sang-ayon po sa ating pong pag-validate ay nire-require na magbayad po ng 500 piso para po sa tela. Tela lamang po na sila na ho ang magpapatahi ng slacks at saka po ng 3/4 na uniform. I understand, Mr. Chair, na bagamat ang 500 pesos po para po sa ilan ay napakadali pong i-produce, para ho sa ating mga mag-aaral na pumapasok po sa kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa, ito po ay napakahirap din hong i-produce. At kung sakasakali naman pong hindi ho nila kayanin, mayroon hong ilan na sinasabi na required daw po ito. Hindi ho discretionary, hindi ho kumbaga ay sang-ayon sa iyong kakayahan, pero required. At kapag hindi ho kayo kumuha ng uniforming ito, ay sinasabihan nung wag na hong pumasok. So Mr. Chair, sana po ay mabigyan po ito ng agarang aksyon. First, because our KLL regulation and charter stipulates that any collection from the students must be approved by the Board of Trustees and must be sanctioned by the Board of Trustees. And secondly, because the 500 peso amount para lamang po sa tela, hindi pa po ito tahi, ay napakalaki po para po sa ating mga mag-aaral sa kolehiyo ng lungsod ng Lipa. I hope that this matter be investigated and this matter be referred to the appropriate committee for immediate action, Mr. Chair.
The matter brought up by the Honorable Hernandez Veloso is hereby referred to the Committee on Education. Privilege, the Honorable Joel Puwa is recognized.
Good morning po, Mr. Chair. Ang aking pong privilege ay regarding po sa rota po ng trapiko po natin na mga jeep po na pumapasok sa palengke. Na ako po mayroong nakausap ng mga taga-palengke na sinasabi nga daw po nila na kumbaga yung mga jeep daw po natin sa ngayon ay hindi daw po pumapasok sa palengke. Na nangyayari po ay para na naapektuhan po ang ating mga mangangalakal manininda sa loob ng palengke, gayon din po sa paligid ng palengke. Sa hindi po pagpasok ng mga jeep. At dahil daw po yung mga mamimili, sinasabi daw po nila, ay nahihirapan. Kumbaga, sa halip daw po pumupuntang palengke, ay pumupunta na lang daw po sa ating mga malalaking mall. Na kumbaga, napakalaking epekto sa ating mga manininda. At sila daw po na may nakakaawa. In fairness naman po, sa ating pong hepe po ng ating SIPOS, siya naman po gumagawa ng paraan para masolusyonan po ang trapiko sa bayan. Bagamat sabi ko nga po, ang paggawa po ng solusyon ay lagi pong may kapalit na apektuhan. Pag traffic po sa palengke, ang sabi po ng mga tao ay pagkakatraffic. Pagka lumuag, ang sabi naman po hindi, para mahal na araw naman, ay walang katao-tao. Kaya sabi ko nga po, di ating babalansehin, gawan po natin ang paraan na magkaroon ng pila sa loob ng palengke ang bawat jeep. At ating pong iwasan na lamang na tumigil ang mga passenger jeep sa mga kanto-kanto, nagiging sanhi ng trapiko sa palengke. Dahil yan po, pag may tumigil na isang jeep, yan po chain reaction na. Sunod-sunod na po ang pagbagal ng trapiko. Kaya yan po yung ating sana po mapag-aralan mabuti sa ating dahil po pagsasaayos po ng trapiko sa bayan, sa buong bayan po ng Lipa. Yan po ating ipinamahala na sa hepe muna ng SIPOS. At kung siya po may mga gusto at gusto ipagawang ordinansa, yan po ating pag-aaralan. At in regards rin po sa ating pong trapiko, ang ating pong kalsada din sa lungsod ng Lipa ay hindi na po design talaga para sa volume po ng sasakyan na meron tayo. Lalo't higit kapag ito po yung rush hour. Kumbaga, siguro napapanahon na po para tayo'y humanap ng mga alternate route dito po sa ating bayan. Nakagaya po sa Batangas, meron po diversion road na kung ating titingnan, parang circumferential road pa nga. Sa paikot po ng Batangas, meron silang kalsada na nagiging alternate route po na madaming sasakyan sa paglihis sa trapiko. At yan po siguro ito naman po yung long-term investment kung ating magagawa. Kapagamat hindi po madaling gawin, ito po yung kung ating gugustuhin, kaya po ng lungsod ng Lipa. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair.
The matter brought up by the Honorable Puwa is referred to the Committee on Peace and Order and Traffic. The Honorable Monte Alto is recognized.
Doon po sa inopen ni Konsehal Pua with regards dun sa mga alternative routes, I propose na sana po ay pangunahan ito ng ating sangguniang panglungsod. Gumawa pa tayo ng ad hoc committee upang manguna dito sa proyektong ito. Sapagkat yan po ay patatlong termino ko na lagi ko pong piniprivilege speech na napaka-importante ng mga alternative routes dito sa Lipa, pero wala pong nag-aaral tungkol diyan. Wala pong umaaksyon. Kaya siguro po ay it's time and proper na ang Sangguniang Panglusod mismo ang gumawa ng ad hoc committee, kumuha ng mga members sa city planning, engineering, upang pagtuunan ng pansin ang pag-aaral dito sa sinasabi ni Konsehal Pua, Mr. Chairman.
Wala Monte Alto. Any more privilege?
Mr. Chairman, may letter po dito ang Department of Interior and Local Government. Sila po ay nag-request ng Sangguniang Panglungsod Resolution adopting Executive Order Number 10, 2013, namely creating the Local Poverty Reduction Action Team, LPRAT. At yung pong, ito po, kapag ating na-adopt ito, ay sa 2015 po, sa budget preparation natin, kinakailangan po nating mag-alat ng 6 million pesos para po sa project na ito, local poverty reduction. At kapag tayo po'y nakapag-alat noon, sa 2015, magkakaroon po ng counterpart ang national government ng 15 million pesos. Ito po lahat ng project ay iaalat sa local poverty reduction project dito sa lungsod ng Lipa. So I move for the
Before
urgency.
the motion, the matter is referred to the Committee on Appropriation and Social Welfare.
With the permission of the Committee on Appropriation, I move for the urgency of this matter.
Any second for urgency? Seconded by the Honorable Puen Hernandez Veloso. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none. The matter is hereby declared as urgent.
I move for the passage of a resolution adopting the Executive Order Number 10, 2013, creating the Local Poverty Reduction Action Team for third and final reading, Mr. Chair.
Any second? Seconded by the Honorable Monfero and Leviste. Okay lang. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none. The motion duly seconded is hereby approved for third and final reading. Any privilege? Honorable Monfero is recognized. Proceed,
Good morning po ulit, Mr. Chair. With regards po doon sa privilege ng ating kasama ang Honorable Monte Alto, yun motion niya na para magkaroon ng ad hoc committee, pumapabor po ako dyan at napakaganda ho ng planong yan ng ating konsehal. And I suggest, isa ro sa sinabi ni Konsehal Honorable Joel Pua, meron ho kung isang lugar na ito ho ay nung panahon ho ni Mayor B, and then sumunod ho ay si Mayor Gosos. Meron ho tayong alternative road na inuhin na saraduhan nito hong panahon ng ating, I think, baka ho yun ay last year ng ating Mayor Gosos. Yun hong alternative road from Barangay 7 to Barangay San Sebastian. Yun ay napakalaking tulong sa mga motorista, lalo ho at yun ang ating mga tricycle driver, at saka yun ang gagaling ng Antipolo, Pinagkawitan, na pupunta ho ng Bulbok and other barangays in South District, ay doon ho dumadaan sa Barangay 7, lalabas ho doon sa Barangay San Sebastian. Ito ho ay nasaraduhan sa kadahilan ng yun ho isang portion doon ay pag-ari ho ng isang pribado. Which is yun ho, sa akin ng pagkakaalam, yun ay meron ng nasimulang negosasyon para ho mabili ng ating city government. Kaya lamang po ay naudlot kasi nga po natapos na yung termino ni Mayor Gosos. Hindi na ho natuloy. So I suggest na kung maaari isa ho sa i-priority itong alternative route na to ng mula Barangay 7 na ang labas po nito ay doon sa may school ng Barangay San Sebastian. Napakalaking tulong ho ito galing ho sa mga barangay ng South District, papunta ho ng Granha, sa ospital, hindi na ho sila dadaan ng bayan at doon na ho sila dadaan sa sinasabi kayong alternative route from Barangay San Sebastian to Barangay 7 or from Barangay 7 going to Barangay San Sebastian. Thank you, sir.
Any privilege? Honorable Pasita Lubiste is recognized.
Good morning po, Mr. Chairman. And sa inyo pong lahat. Minsan po ako ay dumadaan po rin po ako sa JP Laurel. Nakita ko po na napakaraming basura na nakakalat na hindi po nakukuha. Hindi lang po isa, dalawa, bulto-bulto po ang mga basura na nandun. I think this is, first of all, unsanitary. And pangalawa po ay napakasama pong tingin makita, lalong-lalo na po kung meron tayong mga bisita from other place. Sana po magawa ang punto ng paraan para po itong mga basurang to ay makolekta. Maraming salamat po.
Refer to the Committee on Health, Environment. Any more privilege? Any second for, before the adjournment, may referral lang po. Mr. Secretary.
Urgent Matters, Barangay Ordinance 001-2013 from Barangay Marawoy.
Refer to the committee. Tungkol saan?
Marawoy. Parking
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
and Barangay Ordinance number 002-2013 from Barangay Marawoy, an ordinance amending a portion of Barangay Ordinance number 2005-002 for the imposition of fee in the issuance of clearance and for
Refer
certification.
to the Committee on Barangay Affairs and Appropriation. Motion for adjournment.
Before the adjournment, akin nung sana tutusugan nyo kay Consel Pua na yun yung Sabado at Linggo, magaling yung alam natin ng lahat na hindi ho nakakapasok ang mga passenger jeep sa loob ng palengke. At doon sa Sabado at Linggo ngayon, nagkakaroon ho ng hindi magandang sale. Nawawala, namamatay ho ang mga tindahan natin sa Pitores, doon ho sa perimeter ng palengke. Hindi lang ho yung public market, kundi ho yung perimeter, yung mga kaibigan natin ho doon super electronics. Lahat ho yan. Kaya ho sa November 30 ho, matatapos ho yung ating experimental routing. Tayo ho ay tama yung kay Crucial Roll. Gawa na ho tayo ng isang ad hoc committee para ho sa isang pinali ng isang ordinansa para ho sa rotan sa lungsod ng Lipa. Hindi ho maganda ang nagiging ekonomiya ho ng palengke pag Sabado at Linggo, lalo na yung super. I move to adjourn, Mr. Chairman.
Any second for adjournment. Seconded. The session is adjourned.